Introducing Panametrics' newest aluminum oxide moisture transmitter, HygroPro II. Providing unrivaled levels of performance and reliability, this transmitter measures moisture concentration in gases and hydrocarbon liquids from trace to ambient levels. The HygroPro II is the latest addition to the Panametrics portfolio of market-leading moisture analyzers and transmitters. We will walk you through the new product setup demo. As you can see, the transmitter and cable come separately packaged in the box for your installation preference. HygroPro II contains the newest generation of Panametrics FX moisture sensor with integrated temperature compensation. The shielded multi-sensor probe is fitted with an aluminum desiccant cap that keeps the moisture sensor dry during shipping for faster performance right out of the box. Installation of this transmitter can be done in 3 easy steps. Step 1. Connect the shielded 4-wire cable supplied with the HygroPro II to the keyed bulkhead connector on the back of the transmitter using the threaded M8 connector. Then install the cable protector on the back with its 2 captive screws. Care should be taken to thread the connector-free end of the cable through the slot in the cable protector prior to installing it on the HygroPro II so as not to damage the cable. Step 2. Just prior to installation on the process, gently unscrew the aluminum desiccant cap from the bottom of the probe to expose the shielded aluminum oxide moisture sensor to the process gas. Discard the desiccant packs enclosed in the cap. Step 3. Install the HygroPro II into the process by threading it into the sampling port or sample cell. Please note the transmitter should be tightened using a 1 1/8 inch wrench only on the hex nut of the probe until it is sealed on the O-ring surface. Please do not torque the display head, but gently swivel it to face the correct direction after the probe is fully tightened. The HygroPro II offers end users the convenience of automated calibration reminders for the moisture probe by allowing them to choose a suitable calibration interval upon startup. The moisture probe is easy to remove from the dismounted transmitter by loosening the 2 shoulder screws and disconnecting the internal M8 connector cable. Easy to program via the HMI keypad, this model offers continuous measurement in an intrinsically safe environment with wide application capability in both gases and liquids. The Panametrics HygroPro II FX sensor accurately reports the moisture content even with ambient temperature changes. HygroPro II is fast to respond during dry down conditions and wet up excursions. With digital Heart7 communications, you can send multiple moisture measurements and probe diagnostics to your control system via the loop-powered analog output. Panametrics' expert customer support team will assist with on-site or remote training, repairs, and installation for the HygroPro II. Contact us today for a quote.